Dear students, let me do some more problems in what's our vector chapter. Show that the vectors 3i minus 2j plus k, I minus 3j plus 5k and 2i plus j minus 4k form a right angled triangle. Show that the vectors 3i minus 2j plus k, I minus 3j plus 5k and 2i plus j minus 4k form a right angled triangle. Listen here, my dear students. If a vector and b vector, c vector are any three vectors, all the three vectors will not always form a triangle. So we have to prove that the three vectors form a triangle. In order that we are proving that the three vectors form a triangle, we have to prove either a vector plus b vector plus c vector is zero vector, or the sum of n2 vector side is the third vector side. A vector, b vector, c vector are the three vectors. In order that these three vectors form a triangle, we have to either prove a vector plus b vector plus c vector is equal to zero vector, or the sum of n2 vectors is the other vectors, or sum of two vector sides is equal to the third vector. The sum of n2 vectors is equal to the third vector, or the sum of all the three vectors is what's a zero vector. Clear? So this is my a vector, this is my b vector, and this is my c vector. So a vector is equal to 3i minus 2j plus k, b vector is equal to I vector minus 3j vector plus 5k vector, and c vector is equal to 2y vector plus j vector minus 4k vector. Is it not? Listen here, sir, we see that b vector plus c vector. What is b vector? This is my b vector and this is my c vector. So b vector is I vector minus 3j vector plus 5k vector. Plus c vector is 2y vector plus j vector minus 4k vector. If I add I plus 2i is 3i, I plus 2i is 3i, minus 3j plus j is minus 2j, minus 3j plus j is minus 2j, 5k minus 4k is plus k, which is nothing but what's our a vector. So this implies b vector plus c vector is equal to what's our a vector. This implies a vector, b vector, c vector form a triangle. Form a triangle. You are asked to prove that, so the three vectors form what's a triangle. And now we are supposed to prove that it is a right angled triangle. For proving that it is a right angled triangle, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So modulus of a vector, this is my a vector, this is my a vector, modulus of a vector is 3 square plus minus 2 the whole square plus 1 square, which is nothing but what's our 9 plus 1 10 root 14. Modulus of b vector is root of, this is my b vector, root of 1 square plus minus 3 the whole square plus 5 square. 25, 25 plus 9, 34, 34 plus 1 is 35, root 35. Modulus of C vector, this is my C vector, so modulus of C vector is root of 2 square plus 1 square. This is my C vector, so modulus of C vector is root of 2 square plus 1 square plus minus 4 the whole square, plus minus 4 the whole square, which is nothing but 16 plus 1, 17, 17 plus 4, root 21. You see that a square plus c square, a square is what, sir? Root 14 the whole square 14, c square is root 21 the whole square 21, 14 plus 21 is 35, which is nothing but b square. B is root 35, so b square is 35. So a square plus c square is equal to what, sir? B square. This implies the three vectors or the vectors form a right angled triangle. Right angled. Sir, we can also do this in a different way. We have proved that the three vectors form what, sir? A triangle. Since the three vectors form a triangle, in order to prove that the vectors form a right angle triangle, take dot product and prove that it is 0. Take dot product and prove that it is equal to 0. Clear, my dear students? Like that also we can prove it. Like that also we can prove it. Listen here, it is a vector dot 3i plus 3i minus 2j. You see a vector dot c vector is 0. A vector dot c vector is 0. 3i minus 2j plus k dot 2i plus j minus 4k is equal to 3 into 2 6, minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, which is 0. So a vector dot c vector 0 means a vector and c vector are perpendicular, therefore they form a right angle triangle. Like that also we can prove in any manner. The first step is very important. We have to first of all prove that they form a triangle. This is my first step. Clear? This is my first step. In order that the three vectors form a triangle, we have to prove that the sum of all the three vectors is 0 vector, or the sum of any two vectors is your third vector. Then to prove that it is a right angle triangle, you either use Pythagoras theorem or take dot product of two vectors and prove that it is 0. Clear? Now I am going to sum number 13. Show that the points, so this is the position vector of the point A, and this is the position vector of the point B, and this is the position vector of the point C. Show that the points whose position vectors are, so this is the position vector of the point A, that is OA vector. This is the position vector of the point B, this is OB vector, and this is OC vector. Let A, B and C be the points. Be the points. So what is OA vector? OA vector is 4i minus 3j plus k. And OB vector is 2i minus 4j plus 5k. And OC vector is I vector minus j vector. Clear? First let me find AB vector. AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector, which is equal to 2y minus 4i. 2y minus 4i is minus 2i. Then minus 4j minus minus 3k. Minus 4j minus minus 3k is minus j. Then 5k minus k is 4k. Then BC vector is OC vector minus OB vector. BC vector is OC vector minus OB vector. So I minus 2i. I minus 2i is minus I. Minus j minus minus 4k plus 3k plus 3j minus j minus minus 4j plus 3j. Then 0k minus 5k is minus 5k. Then CA vector or AC vector. CA vector is OA vector minus OC vector. OA vector is what, sir? This is my OA vector and this is my OC vector. So 4i minus I is 3i. Then minus 3j minus minus j. Minus 3j minus minus j is minus 2j. Then plus k. Clear, sir? Now I am finding modulus of AB vector. Modulus of AB vector is root of 2 square minus 1 the whole square plus 4 square. 2 square minus 1 the whole square plus 4 square. 2, that is 2 square plus 1 square plus 4 square, which is nothing but root what, sir? 21. Modulus of BC vector is equal to root of minus 1 the whole square, that is 1 square, plus 3 square, plus minus 5 the whole square, which is 5 square, which is root 35. Then modulus of CA vector is root of 3 square plus 2 square. CA vector, this is my CA vector, 3i minus 2j plus k. So modulus of CA vector is 3 square plus minus 2 the whole square, that is 2 square plus 1 square, which is nothing but root 14. Now AB square plus BC square, AB square plus CA square is, AB square is what, sir? Root 21 the whole square 21. CA square is root 14 the whole square 14, which is nothing but 35. 35 is nothing but what, sir? BC square. So we have proved that AB square plus BC square, sorry, AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at what, sir? A. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right triangle to triangle or right angle to triangle, rectangled triangle at B, sorry, at A. AB square plus BC square is equal to AB square plus CA square. AB square plus CA square is equal to BC square. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angle to triangle at what, sir? A. Sir, in the first case, that is in problem number 12, you are given 3 vectors. 3 vectors will not always form a triangle. In order that 3 vectors form a triangle, the sum of any 3 vectors is 0 vector, or the sum of any 2 vector sides is the third vector side. But in problem number 13, it is not so. You are given the position vectors of the points A, B and C. You are given the position vectors of the points A, B and C. So it means you are given OA vector, that is, this is my OA vector, this is my OB vector, and this is my OC vector. And thereby I have found AB vector, which is OB vector minus OA vector. Similarly, BC vector and CA vector, I have taken the modulus of AB vector, BC vector and CA vector and used Pythagoras theorem to prove that it is a right angled triangle. Clear?